Hey creators, welcome back to Creator Fact. You have spent hours editing your video, but how do you export it in the best quality for different platforms? In this video, I'll show you how to export using Adobe Premiere Pro for best quality settings and for the different platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and so more. So let's get started. Once your editing is complete, press Ctrl plus M in Windows or Command plus M in Mac to open the export window. Here you will find all the options to export your video. Choose the right format. The most commonly used format is H.264, which gives a great balance of quality and file size. If you need a high quality version, ProRes is another great option. Select the right preset for your platform. For YouTube, select YouTube 1080p, Full HD or YouTube 4K Ultra HD depending on your video resolution. If you are exporting for Instagram Reels, choose a 1080:1920 vertical resolution. Adjust bitrate for best quality. For YouTube, set bitrate encoding to VBR to pass and adjust the targeted bitrate. 1080p videos 60 Mbps and 4K video 45 to 60 Mbps. This ensures crisp and quality without massive file size. Set audio setting. For clear audio, use format AAC, sample rate 48,000 Hz, bitrate 320 kbps. Export and save your video. Once your everything looks good, choose your save location and click export. If you are exporting multiple files, use Q to send them to Adobe Media Encoder for batch processing. And that's how you export high quality videos for different platforms using Adobe Premiere Pro. If this video found helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, leave your comment below and share this video to your friends. This was the last and ninth video of our Adobe Premiere Pro full beginner tutorial series. If you found this series was helpful, don't forget to watch the full series videos. I have linked the videos links in the description below. I'll see you on the next any upcoming videos about YouTube tips, video editing and videography guideline. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.